Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview Tab 6 and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So let's start with opening the settings, and right here all we have to do is to find gestures and keys. Here let's tap on system navigation, and as you can see we've got two different options, and all we have to do in order to set the gestures is to tap on this first option. And as you can see, immediately instead of the three buttons, we've got this line, which is responsible for some actions. Of course, you can check them right here on this animation, but no worries, I'll show you how to use the gestures later on. You can also enter the settings, and basically here we've got the back sensitivity options. And to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, because thanks to this you will be able to decide whether you need the back sensitivity to be lower or higher. So as I said, just use gestures for a while and then decide and customize it. So if you want to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, simply swipe your finger from the side to the center, and you can do it from the left and the right side, just like that. If you can see this arrow, just release the finger and you will go back. As I said, the same situation from the second side. If you want to get back to the home page directly, simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center. It should be a quite short and quick motion, just like that. And if you want to open the recents, simply elongate the last gesture. So from the bottom to the center, and after releasing the finger, you can see that here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.